Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Bitcoin. Wanted to do a quick video on that. I mean, right now, well, first of all, let's take a look at some economic events, because right now that we have the ETF, I assume economic events are going to matter a bit more. But as you can see right here, I mean, we have quite a lot of news on Thursday, but it will probably not matter. Maybe the news on Friday, all right? Because Friday we have the PCE price index. That could influence interest rate decisions, which right now is the most important economic event that we should care about. But that's for later in the week, all right. So right now, I mean, Bitcoin at this moment, I mean, if you look at it, it's a real weekend, all right. So at this moment, it's just not doing much. It's you can also see it right here. The open interest is practically flat, so there's no real position opening nor closing. And you can also see that very well from the price action. The price action is just, well, practically flat right here, which is to be expected. I mean, most weekends were like that. Yesterday, I thought there was a possibility of some bullish momentum, but that did not come. And now we're going into the opening, and as you can see, the volume is below $10 billion right now, which is quite a long time ago that we've seen that. As you can see, it hasn't happened in the last month, and I don't expect it. I don't think it has happened since October, when the bullish momentum started. So that means that we're in, well, quieter markets with less momentum, which we already knew, but that also means that tomorrow we can actually expect quite a lot of volatility. And let me quickly adjust my lights. We can expect quite a lot of volatility, all right? Because right now the volume is low, but there is a ton of liquidity around Bitcoin, all right, to the upside, but also lower towards 38 and even 34,000. But here you can see, if you zoom out, there's a ton of liquidity all the way up to 43,700. So in general, I expect volatility. If I would have to tell you what I think what the market structure is, I would say it's bearish. All right, we just had two bearish breakouts in the last week and a half. Usually, if you have two bearish breakouts while the momentum is dropping down, which is the case, and while bearish indicators are starting to be respected, such as the EMAs right here, usually you're in bearish market circumstances, which I think is the case. But the thing is that with all of that liquidity to the upside here, I find it highly unlikely that we will not grab that. All right, so I actually do expect that at least initially when the market opens, I expect volatility to the upside. All right, I think that's most likely. There's a minor bullish breakout we got right here, but that doesn't matter much. But I do think that spiking to the upside is most likely. But then what happens then is that people get more optimistic. People start buying, and that will probably create quite a lot of liquidity to the downside. And I think that, in combination with the bearish market structure right now, is enough to cause the price to drop down to 40,000 and 40,500 again. So volatility is what I expect. Overall, I expect these bearish market circumstances to stick around. I'll keep you updated on all the economic news you need to know, and just in general, if there's any updates, I'll let you know. All right. It's at this moment we'll just have to wait for the opening, see what that does, see if real liquidity arises from the demand side, or from the from the demand side. See if that arises. If that doesn't arise, maybe there's a possibility for some more consolidation and stability, but I doubt it at this moment. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. Very valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.